What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be discussing something that's pretty cool, and not a lot of people are doing this, and this is especially going to help a lot of you guys that don't have any startup capital or don't really have a budget or funds in order to start Amazon FBA. But this is something that you guys can definitely get started in doing, and it's going to help you start getting those funds up over time and being able to invest your money into your first or second or whatever Amazon FBA product you're on. And also, this is another thing that you guys can jump onto as well. Even if you already are started with Amazon FBA, it's just something that's a very good idea, and I think a lot of people don't do. So the first thing is we're going to talk about using JumpSend to your advantage. Now, usually when you hear about retail arbitrage, you're basically purchasing products at heavily discounted prices and then reselling them. Now, if you go through a website like JumpSend, you're going to be able to find products that are even more discounted. Purchase those, bring them to your house, and then post them up on sites like eBay. So if you don't know, eBay is mostly used as a website that people go into where they want to find discounted products just because they're used before, or there's secondhand products. So by using JumpSend, you can find these discounted products on here, purchase them, and then try and resell them on eBay. And it's a very good idea because as opposed to like regular regular retail arbitrage where you go to Target, Walmart, I don't know, Kroger, wherever these places are, you go there, they'll have a discount or a sale on a product, but it's not that much. Maybe it's by, maybe $10, $5, somewhere around there, so you're not really profiting much. But when you use sites like JumpSend, you're going to be able to find these products. Now, JumpSend is $30 a month, but that's okay. You're going to be able to make that back quick. But this is the first method that we're going to talk about that is going to cost you a little bit of money. But the other method is completely free. But we'll get to that here in a second because this method is pretty effective as well. Even if you don't have that much money to start up, you don't need that much. So starting out, if you go on the website, you can filter in all these different products and just resell them on eBay. So if you want to find a product, so let me see here. So of course, the higher price these products are, a lot of them are going to be more expensive. So this one's 50% off. It's this wooden sunglasses, bamboo lenses or whatever. Something like this is probably going to sell really well on eBay, especially if you have decent amount of pictures and stuff. So this one retails for $29.99 on eBay. I wouldn't be surprised if you'd be able to sell it as the same on Amazon. I'm sorry, $29.99 on Amazon. But I wouldn't be surprised if you'd be able to sell it the same, if not more, on eBay when you post it again. Again, you can probably post it as new, or you can post it as used. I probably do it as new. You probably be able to make more money off of that. And who knows? Maybe if your listing looks good enough, you'll be able to up the price just a little bit and make a little bit more profit. So if you posted this for $30 and it's $14.99 to purchase it, you'd be profiting around $15. Of course, eBay takes away like 15% of those fees and stuff. So more or less, you'll be making decent profit on that. And then they have multiple ones on here, which is absolutely cool as well. So you can maybe even get a bundle of these, put them together, and then sell them on Amazon for a good price. So this is a very important method. I think a lot of people look over a lot. And there's tons and tons of products on here that you can look through that will sell well on eBay. And then especially if you have things like clothing, these backpacks. Let me see here. And yeah, you guys can look through this yourself. You just have to hop on JumpSend and get that membership. It's $29.99 a month. But again, you can filter it down. Like if you want to only sell products that aren't going to cost that much money to buy, you can go all the way down to even maybe $2 to purchase these. So if you look at these right here, 65-watt dual charger. So this one retails for $15. The shower head. There's tons of stuff on here that you can buy for really cheap, and then just upsell it really well on eBay. So a lot of people don't think about this. So this is, in my opinion, this is probably better than using a retail arbitrage site or you just find deals off of, you know, Walmart, Target, or whatever it is. So yeah, you guys should definitely look into this. This is very you know, I'm probably going to start doing this just to you know, add on to some extra income that I make each month. So the second thing is, this is probably something that you know, a lot of you guys probably look over as well, is looking at stuff on Craigslist. Now, Craigslist, if you guys don't know, you can find a lot of free stuff on here, and there is a free category. So all you have to do is go under for sale and then go to free. And of course, the thing that you're going to be paying for, really, is just basically gas money, and then any shipping fees if you decide to sell somebody that's like out of state or something like that. So let's say, I don't know, you find this pool table here. Now, something that's big like this, and by the way, all this stuff is free on here. So literally, you can just go up and pick it up from people's houses. Of course, you got to contact them and everything, but it's a very good idea. So if you were going to sell something like this, so this free 7-foot table, pool table, it looks good. You know, once you go to pick it up, just you gotta look at it, make sure it's not that damaged or anything, and then. Of course, you're going to need like a truck or something like that, but this is something rather on the big side. But let's say you would be able to sell this, right? I would probably suggest you guys sell this in your area. So if you decide to repost it and sell it, like on eBay or not eBay, maybe repost it on Craigslist again. You could probably sell it for anywhere from, you know, from 50 to 100 something bucks. Just say it's used and everything, and then of course you can sell them to people in your area. And then instead of, you know, you having to pay those insane shipping fees as if they were out of state, since they're in your state, you're gonna be able to just, you know, drive over to the house, drop it off, and they'll be able to pay you, and it's done and done just like that. You made, you know, anywhere from 50 to 100 bucks in a day. But this is more on the this also includes that as well. But if you also go back here, you can find tons of stuff on here. So there's just a lot of people that are selling furniture like chairs and stuff. Of course, you're gonna need like a truck, like I said. But there's tons of other stuff that you can buy. There's tires. There's, let me see here. But like I said, you can find this stuff, resell it, repost it on Craigslist, or repost it on, you know, eBay. If it is light enough and won't, you know, be too expensive for shipping fees. There's something like this too. This one looks really nice. A free filing cabinet hanging file. Something like this would sell really well on eBay as well. You know, you just pick this up for free. You'd probably sell it for like maybe 50 bucks or so. So that's pretty cool. So so yeah, those are the two concepts, guys. It's very cool, because I honestly didn't really think about it. You know, a lot of you probably have jump sand or you know, have purchased stuff on Craigslist, but you never really think about it in this way on how you can use this concept in order to you know, create a side income. Yeah, this stuff on Craigslist is all free. But like I said, the only thing that you'd have to pay for is like the shipping fees if it was, you know, small enough, and then you know, gas money for you dropping it off to somebody's house, and then doing this jump send thing is basically it doesn't cost that much at all to get started. So with that being said, guys, that's all I really wanted to discuss in this video. It's a very simple concept that you guys can get into. I really want to jump onto this as well, as you know, the year is closing out. So I'll definitely check this out more and update you guys on you know, what I do with it. So this is definitely something you guys should look into, because it's going to help you save up money to get started on your Amazon FBA product, which of course is more passive, where you don't have to, you know, go back and forth and jump around and then send off products and ship it off. So you guys should definitely check this out. Make sure you hit the like button down below. I have plenty of templates down in the description that you guys can look into. It's going to help you with suppliers, getting started with Amazon FBA step by step, you know, doing product research, etc. And also make sure you comment down below what you guys want to see next for my you know, future videos. I don't have, you know, a billion ideas on what I should do, but any suggestions would go a long way. So make sure you guys subscribe down below, and I'll see you the next video. Peace.